Why roll? Are you trading options? Have you heard of rolling an option? What does it really mean? And when should you do it? In today's video, I'll break down how and when to roll an option. This includes covered calls, cash-secured puts, and debit spreads. You'll learn how rolling can help you manage risk or maximize profit. Let's dive in. First, what does rolling mean? Rolling an option is when you close your current position and open a new one. This typically happens at a different strike price or expiration date. For instance, if you sold an Apple covered call that's about to expire, you might buy it back. Then, sell a new call further out in time or at a higher strike. The goal of rolling is clear. You might want to lock in profits, avoid assignment, or extend the trade for a better opportunity. Now, when should you roll? There are three main reasons traders choose to roll options. The first reason is avoiding assignment. If you sold a covered call and the stock has increased in value, your option is in the money. If you don't want to lose your shares, you can roll up and out to a later expiration and higher strike. The second reason is buying time. If your trade isn't performing well, but you believe in it, you can roll forward in time. For example, if a put option is about to expire out of the money, but you want to maintain your trade, you can roll it to a later date. The third reason is capturing more premium. If your option is close to expiring and you've captured most of the premium, rolling early can help you keep collecting income. Bonus tip: you don't have to wait until expiration day to roll. Many traders roll 7 to 10 days before expiry. This helps to avoid assignment and slippage. So, how do you roll an option? Let's go through the steps. Let's say you've sold a put on SPY with a $400 strike expiring this Friday. It's currently Wednesday and SPY is dropping. You're nervous about assignment. Here's how you roll. Buy to close the $400 put that's expiring this week. Then, sell to open a new put, perhaps at $395 for next week. If done correctly, your broker will label it as a roll. You'll see the net credit or debit. If you collect more premium, it's a credit roll. If you need to make an adjustment, it becomes a debit roll. You can roll up, down, out, or diagonal based on your objectives. Rolling out keeps the same strike but extends the expiration. Rolling up or out gives a higher strike with a later expiration. Rolling down utilizes a lower strike, useful when defending a losing position. However, remember, rolling isn't always the right choice. Don't roll just to escape a loss. Sometimes, it's better to take the loss, reset, and re-enter when conditions are more favorable. If you're rolling and adding risk to a poor trade, reevaluate your strategy. Are you defending a bad idea instead of making a smart adjustment? Rolling is a tool, not a rescue mission. That wraps up our quick breakdown of how and when to roll an option. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll provide you with more tips on options trading strategies, managing risk, and building income. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you roll your options, or do you let them expire? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. In this video, we've explored the essential aspects of rolling options, focusing on the mechanics and timing. It's important to remember that rolling can either serve as a strategic move to enhance your trading position or, conversely, lead to unwanted risk if not executed with caution. Whether it's about avoiding assignment, buying additional time, or maximizing profits, having a clear understanding of when and why to roll is crucial for successful options trading. Thank you for joining me today, and let's keep enhancing our knowledge in this dynamic market. Until next time, happy trading! In this video, we've explored the essential aspects of rolling options, focusing on the mechanics and timing. It's important to remember that rolling can either serve as a strategic move to enhance your trading position or, conversely, lead to unwanted risk if not executed with caution. Whether it's about avoiding assignment, buying additional time, or maximizing profits, having a clear understanding of when and why to roll is crucial for successful options trading. Thank you for joining me today, and let's keep enhancing our knowledge in this dynamic market. Until next time, happy trading! In this video, we've explored the essential aspects of rolling options, focusing on the mechanics and timing. In conclusion, successfully navigating the world of options requires a firm grasp of rolling strategies, ensuring that each decision contributes positively to your trading goals. I appreciate your time and enthusiasm for learning, and I look forward to seeing you all in future videos. Until then, trade smart and stay informed.